Actually, I'm going to discuss about how to install Eclipse IDE in Ubuntu 26 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there Eclipse, then go on this Eclipse org site. Then after here, you can see your favorite ID. Click on this download 64 and this here automatically that's come there. Click on this download and here the file is currently downloading. Total size 114 MB. Now if I go into this terminal, if I write there Java minus minus version, so you can see Java 26 version that install. If I write there Java this working, Java C also working. So Java must be installed when you are going to use this Eclipse ID. Now here you can see this is the status almost done here. So this done. Let's click on this join folder. Here is the Eclipse. Let's click on this extract. So here extracted. Let's double click on this installer. Here you need to click on this Eclipse int. Executable file is there. So Eclipse installer is now opening. So then you can use this Java Developer Enterprise C++. Let's use their Java developers. That's selecting. Click on this enter, and now you need to click on this install button. So this is now installing this Eclipse inside the Ubuntu operating system. And install, click on this launch button. So this is the workspace. Click on this launch. Starting the Eclipse ID 2026. Wait. This here. That's come there. Let's click on this close. Here you need to click on this create a project. Let's give the project name test. This taken there ZDK26. Click on next and next, or let's click on this finish. Here right click, new package. Let's give there pkg. Click on this finish, and after that right click, new class. So giving the name first, enable this one, uncheck, and let's click on this finish. So that's come there. Let's print their simple hello world. System dot out dot print ln. Let's give the double quote hello world. Control S to save. Simply you need to click this hello world that's displaying. Let's use the dot. So this dot this display. So this is how we can do here installation of Eclipse inside the Ubuntu 26. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.